Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today I'm going to show you how to earn up to $30 per hour searching on Google for lazy people, and you're going to make fast PayPal money doing this way, so let's check it out. Alright guys, before I get moving, I just want to let you know that this method is not going to produce any passive income online for you. So if you want to check out how you can do that instead, check out that first link in my video description. It's going to be that first link you can click on. It's going to be a program that will teach you some online skills and help you learn how to build an online business for yourself where you can produce a passive online income stream like I have. And I've been using this business model since 2016, so I hope you will follow my path and check that out. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to search on Google for lazy people. Now I'm just calling them lazy people, but they're not really lazy people. They're just going to be companies that don't have a lot of time to do their own research, so they actually pay people to do the research for them. So if you can believe this, there is a company that will allow you guys to help other people do research for them on Google or wherever you need to do your research on. Okay, so check this out. So the site I'm showing you today is going to be here at askwander.com. So for this website, what this website does is it helps other companies do research. Okay, so if there are companies out there that don't have time to do their own research, they go to this company, askwander.com, and have them, recruit others to do the research for them. Before I continue explaining about this one, I'm just going to show you that this lady, Whitney Hansen, has made over $1,200 as a part-timer working here at Wander. And this post kind of explains her experience and everything like that. And this other person has been able to earn over $15,000 from his experience on the platform. And this is something that he wrote a review on Reddit. So this platform is definitely legit. And they are paying, so you just have to listen to the whole video because I'm going to give you tips on how you could be successful at this gig. And this is going to be kind of fun because you're going to be searching really fun topics. It just depends on what you get. Let's check it out here. So these are all the different companies that they work for. See, GE, KPMG is an accounting firm, Bloomberg, Staples, Cox, AARP, such a bunch of different companies. Okay, so the research could be complicated or simple. Look at the types of questions that you're going to be asked. Okay, what is the global market size for the non-traditional human-machine interface industry? How many pints of Guinness are consumed on St. Patrick's Day in New York City? What percentage of people whip out their phones to check social media while they're waiting in line? What is the ROI on stadium naming rights and sponsorships in Western Europe? So these could be very specific things that they're looking for. And there's also lists and spreadsheets that they could be asking for. What were the most expensive TV shows produced in history? What are the top digital education portfolio apps in Australia? What are the fastest growing cities and stuff like that. So you understand kind of the questions that they are going to be asking for. Okay, so up here you could click this become a researcher and you could get more information here. This form here is very quick. So from what I have researched myself, you could be from any city, you could be from anywhere around the world to apply, and this is going to be I think it's going to be 18 plus. I just did this search, Ask Wander age limit, and it says 13 coming from their website, but I have a hard time believing 13-year-olds can do the research and the reporting that they're looking for. So take that with a grain of salt, guys, okay? I'm not sure if this is going to be really true for the researchers that could apply. So just do some more research yourself about this company before you try it, if you're under 18. Okay, so that's the application. There's going to be research requests, and our researchers can choose from a variety of different request types. So these are the types of things that you can do. Okay, so recommend a product or service, competitive landscaping. You can research about the competitiveness of the industry, explain a trend or phenomenon, gather statistics, determine the size of a market. So those are the types of things that you can research about. So how it works, you're going to visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. We'll assign you a request to work on. Then you're going to find answers and resources and synthesize your findings. And then you're just going to submit your work and celebrate. So you just apply with the above application, and then you're going to wait to see if you're going to get accepted. And this may actually take a week or two that I've read, so it's not going to be accepted right away. Explore open requests, dive into research, and say hello to your fellow researchers. So, and then you could apply there or just fill out the form with this right there. So let's look at the rates that they pay. Now, this person who's worked for them for a while say that there's 3 types of jobs basically. So you could do sourcing jobs or copy edit jobs, and they pay about $16 for each of those jobs. And if you do kind of both, which is more senior type position, to do this kind of edit, you get $30, okay, to do both. But it's very rare that someone starting out can do that. That's what this part is saying. So, and also when you first get started, it may take you a little longer than an hour to do the research, but these things take time to get better. So this is what I want to stress, is that you're not just going to quickly do this kind of research and be able to provide a report to them that quickly, or under like 2 hours or under an hour, because you're going to need practice on how to do this kind of stuff. Okay, so this other lady, like I was saying here, see, she also confirmed that each job is $16 per job, and that in the beginning it took her, around 3 hours, which is not good. But she said, however, after 4 months of sticking with it, I'm now averaging an extra $1,000 per month from doing this stuff. And they also pay contests for you can win contests and bonuses here. So this is definitely legit, and they are definitely paying, as you can see here. So it's very important that you do the job well, though, because you need to be approved from the job that you submit before you get paid anything. So make sure that you do a fantastic job and it does go through the approval process. This is the kind of information, this example of the type of information that you're going to be submitting to them. So once you find all your findings, you just gotta put it into a little report like this. This is just a sample, and you can probably use this as a template. And this one talks about the beer, okay, the Guinness consumption in New York City. And these are facts that you could just research on Google and find the same information, okay? So the methodology that they took, and then the findings that they found. So these are the actual stats of the beer consumption and all the different stats. So, and then how they were calculated. So that's it. I mean, that's not a long report at all, if you take a look at that, okay? This kind of job, though, however, is kind of trading time for money, because you don't earn anything unless you do the work and it gets approved and everything like that. So it's once you stop doing these types of gigs, you're not going to be earning anything, right? So that's why it's really advantageous if you were to actually build an online income that is passive, where you could earn over and over again from the work that you put in, okay? So that's what I do. So all the work that I put into my online business, I earn from it over and over again. I don't just earn from the work that I do one time. I get to have tons of people look at my work and earn multiple times for everything that I do for my online business. And this is very important, because when you have an internet business, you are leveraging the internet, which is open all the time. So that's why you can earn any time of the day, and you work on your own schedule. So if you want something like that, learn how to do it with the first link in my video description. It's going to teach you some online skills that you really need to learn how to make the big bucks, a full-time online income if you want, from your online business. So check that out. It's the first link in the video description, and I hope you follow my path. So I hope you like this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.